If you want to see how I achieve this juicy, bouncy, heatless curls, keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Ifela Jakende. I create hair content, hairstyle content, and lifestyle content on this channel. So don't forget to like and comment if you find this video helpful. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. So we're going to be starting on dry hair because when I posted my last heatless curl video, which was the roller set on my Instagram and here on YouTube, I got a few questions, I think from Instagram, that what did I add, what did I do to it, what was I putting in it. So most people thought, I think few people thought, I did that on wet hair and there were a lot of products I applied to the hair before, achieving the curls I did. But in this video I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I did, and my hair is washed. I had my last wash day a week ago. So we're going to be starting from the back, and these are the two sizes of flexi rods we're going to be using, and this is also what I'm going to be using. This is the Total Body Styling Mousse. So I'm just going to be parting my hair from the back section and try to make my I'm going to be making my sections not too tiny because I want a certain type of volume to it. I don't want it to be too thin. I want like a bit of voluminous and bounciness to each curl strand. So after the hair is parted, on my hair, my hair has a bit of moisture to it, so I'm going to be going in with the tiniest flexi rod size, and I'm going to be going in with my Total Body Styling Mousse. Okay, my Total Body Styling Mousse, I'm going to be as light-handed as possible because I don't want it to be too stiff when the curls come out. So I'm just going to be applying that to my strands and to my hair strands, like each section, and I'm going to be going in with my roller set. So going in with this roller set, I'm going to be going in at the end. I'm going to twist up the hair like so. I'm going to twist it up from the roots like this before I go in with my flexi rods. So when the hair is pretty much twisted like so, I'm going to go in with my flexi rod and roll the hair in the same continuous pattern and keep on rolling it in that same direction on my flexi rods. So as you can see, as I'm doing in this video, I'm going to be rolling my hair like so on the flexi rod. So I'm going to be rolling the hair in that same direction on the flexi rod, maintaining the same direction I rolled it up from the roots before I put in my flexi rod. Then I tame the flyaways I have. I tame any flyaways I have at the ends, at the tips. I tame it with my Total Body Styling Mousse, and I fold in the flexi rods to get it out of the way, and I'm done with each section. Okay, so we're going to be taking this again on another section. I'm going to be putting in my styling mousse, my Total Body Styling Mousse on each section. Remember, you want to be as light-handed as possible. You don't want to drench it too much so it doesn't come out too stiff. Then after I'm done doing that, that was just me giving a mini line check of my hair, but I digress. So after that, I go in with a flexi rod and I twist my hair from the roots like so. I twist it from the roots like so. Then I go in with my flexi rod and continue the same pattern, keep on rolling it on the flexi rod till I've come to the end of that section of hair. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and join the family. Nobody is going to tell you that this can be like a bit of an arm workout, so just be prepared. It's not as painful as you guys might think it is, but it's a bit of an arm workout. So yeah, aside from that, I was very satisfied and happy with the results, because if you watched my last Heatless curl video, that's the roller set one, it didn't really come out nice. I don't have a vanity mirror set up in front of me, so I had to go to the bathroom where I had a mirror to section my hair in the front part, because I was already at the middle part, so I was coming to the front as fast as I less imagined it will be. But I had to go to the mirror to pre-section and everything, so I'll know how many pieces, like how many curls I have to do left, because I did not have enough flexi rods, but it turned out that I still had enough after this video. If you've made it up to this point of the video, drop a heart emoji in the comment section and let me know what you think. There are different curl patterns you can achieve with a flexi rod, but I personally love this particular voluminous bouncy curls. I just feel it fits my face better. So these were the particular curl patterns these are the curl patterns I like in any form or styles, or a bit of loose curls. But yeah, you can achieve any type of curl pattern you want with these flexi rods. You have a hooded drag.
Oh my god, you guys, do you know what just happened? They just brought the light. Just brought the light. If you live in Nigeria, you can relate, but if you don't, you definitely cannot relate. But yeah, so I'm going to use my hand dryer to dry this, and we will come back and unravel this gorgeousness. Okay.
So this was the next day, and I already dried this hair the night before. I dried it with my hand dryer to like 80%, then I left it to, it was like basically almost like dry, if I'm being honest. So it was dry, and drying it, I applied my heat protectant before I used my hand dryer, and now we're just taking out the curls. And as you guys can see from this first one, you can tell that this thing dried very well. It dried properly, and you can see how it is bouncing. So yeah, I was very much satisfied with the results. So I removed all the rods here, and I just applied a bit of shea butter to like soften the hair and detangle each strand, like loosen the curls with the shea butter. So that's what we're going to be doing here. And I later went in and with a wide tooth comb, I went in with a wide tooth comb to fluff out the roots of the hair, and this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.